Do Whales Poop? By C.V. Monterrubio. Illustrations by Alina Galo. Edited in 2020 by Bookbank USA in collaboration with Ediciones Pato Ganso. I don't know you personally, but I know that you poop. I know this because I learned that all humans poop. When I changed from a baby to a kid, I had to learn to poop in a place called the toilet and begin to be responsible for my own pooping. Soon after, I saw a dog poop. Then a bird. One time, I even saw a horse poop while marching in a parade. I learned from books that all animals and even plants eat, use what they need, and excrete out the rest.
To poop means to defecate, excrete, or evacuate. Plants eat soil nutrients or fertilizer and excrete other nutrients.
One day, while visiting the beach with my family, a thought hit me. Did I just spend my vacation swimming in sea animal toilet water? Have I been soaking in whale poop all this time? I thought that after so many years of life in the ocean and so many whales and other animals pooping, the seawater should be very gross. It would have lots of poop floating in it, but I didn't see any. There had to be something more to discover. I then decided to find the answer to my deep blue question. And wow, was I surprised! What I found out was so exciting that I thought I should share it with all the kids. That's why I wrote this book. If you're an adult, don't worry. Better late than never. Facts 1. How it happens. Whales eat. Then, sometime after that, they digest and poop. Whales poop on the surface of the ocean when they come up for air. Facts 2. How it looks. Most whales' poop is almost liquid and looks like a big green or reddish cloud or plume that floats across the top section of the ocean. Occasionally, some whales poop chunks that float for a while and then sink.
There are baleen and toothed whales. Their diet is different, so their poop is different. Ambergris is also considered a sort of whale poop.
Facts 3. How it works. Phytoplankton live close to the ocean's surface. Krill, which is whale food, and many other sea animals eat phytoplankton. Phytoplankton is a crucial plant for the ocean's health and the base of the marine food chain. But it also absorbs carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and produces oxygen. Phytoplankton eat whale poop.
Phytoplankton are microalgae or tiny water plants that feed many ocean animals, like grass feeds many land animals. Every other breath you take contains oxygen produced by the photosynthesis of the ocean's phytoplankton. Whale poop is an iron and phosphorus-rich fertilizer that feeds phytoplankton and allows it to grow and multiply.
And so, the answer to the question is yes! Whales poop! And it doesn't stink up the ocean because it's plant food. But more importantly, bonus learning. Whale poop is life! Really! It keeps the ocean plants alive, which not only feed a lot of sea animals, but also clean more than half of the air we breathe.
Plants and animals, including humans, inhale oxygen and exhale carbon dioxide.
So please, help keep the whales alive and pooping. Some of what you can do is this. If you're ever by the sea, or beach, lake, river, island, glacier, etc., remove the trash you see on the beach or in the water and put it in a trash can. Yes, even if it's not yours. Do it for the whales. Don't leave anything in the water that wasn't there originally, like plastic objects or food, toys, bottles, fishing gear, oil, trash, your poop, etc. Convince whale hunters to get a non-murderous job or hobby. Don't buy products made from whales. Convince ship owners to silence or insulate their engines and slow down when traveling through whale migration routes. Use eco-friendly sunscreen. Consume fewer things to reduce your trash production and carbon footprint. Don't release helium balloons into the sky. Tell others how important it is to keep our oceans clean and whales alive. Learn to live sustainably. Be a part of the solution. Thank you.
Search online. How can I help save the whales? There's plenty to do. Work together with an adult.
The end.